Can you see the presentation?
Yes.
Okay. So, good evening. As showed, the title of my PhD project is Analysis of Infiltration and Runoff Processes in Small Hill Basin from Laboratory to Site Scale. I am Sofia Ortenzi. I graduated in geology at the University of Perugia in September 2020, focusing on applied geology topics. My master thesis was on water content monitoring in unsaturated soil. And at the beginning of 2021, together with Professor Lucio Di Matteo, I published an article in a sustainability journal on topic close to the PhD research project. Moreover, in 2021, I won a 6-month postgraduate grant for the photointerpretation of quaternary continental deposit in the Umbria region. And during this period, I expand my knowledge on the QG software. So, understanding infiltration and runoff processes in unsaturated soil is a topic of increasing interest, considering soil loss issue and the ongoing climate change. According to the latest IPCC report, in the last decades, the Mediterranean area has been affected by a general increase in the number of drought periods, coupled with some extreme rain events. Runoff causes erosion and therefore soil loss and sedimentation. So, for example, the small reservoir, the small lakes that are used for irrigation reduce the volume of water that can be stored. So these small reservoirs are very useful at water supply in drought-prone areas, and also as for minimize the use of fresh water. In Italy, the Ministry of Agricultural Policies, MIPAF, aims the requalification of these small lakes. So the project intends to analyze the laboratory and site-scale problem and to develop a procedure to define a runoff activation threshold on slope with medium-low permeability soil. And also for this purpose, the project intends to integrate the ground-based data with the satellite rainfall and soil moisture data to optimize analysis and reduce cost and time of data acquisition. So, laboratory analysis can be carried out at the Applied Geology and Applied Geophysics Laboratory of the Perugia University. And on the other hand, on situ analysis will be carried out on an instrumented pilot basin called Masse Serlab, located near Perugia. This site is characterized by soil with medium-low permeability related to the fluvial-lacustrine deposit of Tiber, and include a stream gauge and various plots to analyze the runoff processes. The research that this research experimental field is managed by the Agriculture, Hydraulics and Hydraulics Forestry System group that belongs to the Department of Agricultural Science of Perugia University. After graduation, I got in touch with Professor Francesca Todisco and Lorenzo Verni through my thesis supervisor. So for the acquisition and use of satellite data, I'm starting a collaboration with CNR-ERP of Perugia with Dr. Ivan Marchesini. And as I already mentioned, on-site data acquisition is made possible thanks to the collaboration with the Department of Agricultural Science. Thanks to the link with this department, a possible collaboration with the University of Palermo will be desirable for training on erosion and sedimentation models. So the first work carried out on Masse Basin was the collection of some sample for the geological geotechnical analysis. Also, a survey of the main channel was carried out, and the profile of channel was reconstructed at the stream gauge section. So with regard to soil moisture data, some measurements were made with TDR and also some samples were taken. Next step will concern the analysis of the available data and the reconstruction of the rating curve of the stream section, of the stream gauge section. So also furthermore, training on erosion and sedimentation model will be organized. Following the activities I have done during the last 2 months, a poster presentation at FlowPath, a presentation at GAT conference, the participation in seminar Andromeda project, and the submission of an article to the Italian Journal of Groundwater. Thanks for attention.